To create these kind of text effects, all you have to do is just head over to Adobe Express. I'll provide the link in the description below. Here, click on Generative AI. Choose Generate Text Effects. As you do that, a new tab will open up. Here, choose the font as per your liking and type the text you want. Now, to create the text effect, here in the description box, type what you want to generate. Let's say we want to create a realistic grass effect. It should be made of entirely lush green grass with individual blades clearly visible. When done, click on Generate. Scroll a little and here you'll see some amazing text options to choose from. Just select the one you like. Adjust it. You can create some amazing text effects as per your requirement and creativity. When you are done, just click on Download button over here. So, don't forget to explore it, and if you find this video helpful, do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.